So when we start thinking about data governance within our overall digital strategy, I mean, how should we be? Do you have any tips on how to be thinking about data management and how you can start building that into your overall digital transformation strategy or your ERP strategy?
Yeah. See, the data governance can start in two stages. One could be a green field or one could be a brown field. In both the cases, you have a different approach. If it is, if you're sitting with a lot of legacy data, it's a headache, but also that what kind of patterns are there as part of your data so that you can establish the governance rules. But if you are starting on a clean state, you can go with, the benchmarks, whatever those benchmarks that are available. So both of them have got different opportunities, different, purposes of it. But when I personally believe, and in fact, we have experienced over 2 decades that any data that is coming out of non-governed or ungoverned systems, that is what is actually creating a lot of nonsense. So it's not, you could have a great data governance capabilities, but any data that is feeding into it from a non-governed solution, which does not match the rules that has to, then it is a mess. And when does that happen? Eric, you know it very well. We talk about M&A, mergers and acquisition, one of the worst case to handle, because each one have got probably a different business problem, probably a different use case, probably different systems, and you are trying to marry both of them. Both does not come from the same world. Both have got different practices, and establishing governance rules by controlling both of them is a difficult thing. Whereas data migrations, I mean, you were just mentioning also about data migrations. I say that data migrations are the best opportunity for any organization to correct the course of action with regards to their data strategy. And if they miss that opportunity, I don't think that how often that would come, because I do not see these digital transformations happening in less than 10 years. So you are going to miss out that opportunity for at least a decade or decade and a half. And don't miss out on that opportunity. If you really want to bring in governance, that's the best time for you.
Right.